part, I ask you that Google's AlphaGo, that is falling under which one? Reactive machines and theory of mind. Obviously, reactive machines. Just remember that I have discussed about this, means different types of AI, and under which I have told you about the type 2 that is based on functionality. And the first one, very first one, is the reactive machines. See, Google's AlphaGo falling under reactive machine, and this is a famous, AI applications for working out those means game, that is board game. Okay, similarly, IBM's Deep Blue system, that is for the chess playing game. Okay, so this is about the different types. I hope these all types are now clear to you. Now, coming to the main discussion, that is what are the different applications of AI. You see this figure, you'll see that you have gaming, astronomy, healthcare, transport, agriculture, education, e-commerce, entertainment, robotics, automotive, social media, and data security. All these different applications are coming under AI. Clear? Now, one by one, I'll try to discuss the important applications of AI. First one is the agriculture. Just few lines, read them. As an alarming fact, the world will need to produce 50% more food by 2050 because we are literally eating up everything. So how is it possible? The only way this can be possible if we use our resources more efficiently or more carefully. With that being said, AI can help farmers to get more from the land while using resources more sustainably. Okay, sustainably. So this means what? We need to use the resources very efficiently. And this is possible if some AI application is there which will guide you how to use it. Okay, that is not more a concept now because it has been already implemented. Blue River technology has already developed a robot that is known as See and Spray. And this uses computer vision technologies. Computer vision, digital image processing techniques. This is the important part of artificial intelligence, important area of artificial intelligence. When we will study in your graduation or post-graduation programs, you may have a subject that is digital image processing. So my suggestion is that try to go through that subject means very seriously, because that is the actually future subject, or you can say the most important part of artificial intelligence. And this See and Spray, this uses those computer vision technologies like object detection to monitor and precisely spray weedicide on cotton plants, and precision spraying can help prevent herbicide resistance. Then we have Berlin-based agriculture tech startup that is known as Spit, and it has developed an applications that is Plantix, and these Plantix identify potential defect and nutrient deficiencies in the soil through images. Well, let's go through a video. I'll show you. I hope all of you see this. So, see. This is that See and Spray, developed by Blue
We're
River
seeing lots of
Technology.
resistance
See
to
this,
Roundup. We're looking for other ways to combat the weeds and still have cost savings on top of everything.
Agricultural field.
We saw an opportunity to take cameras, computers, and artificial intelligence to allow ag machines to see every plant in a field. We thought that we could give farmers the ultimate flexible tool to treat their field and manage their field in whatever way they wanted by having the knowledge of every plant and its situation and an ability to spray very precisely, whether it be herbicide onto the weeds or fertilizer or fungicide directly on each plant that needed it.
Each field I go to has a different
That is
plants.
our
Do you want to be
CNC.
going after anything?
Deep learning algorithms that
Name
are
itself,
similar to what's
see
used in
and
facial
spray.
recognition. The first time we saw
How it
pigweed,
actually
the machine did are
identifies.
using deep learning algorithms that are similar to what's
learning.
used in facial recognition. The first time we saw a pigweed, the machine did it by giving it tens of thousands of examples
exactly
of that
this
pigweed,
applying
and now
those
it's an
different
expert in
computer
pigweed.
techniques to
We save
identify
up to
the
90% of the amount of herbicide that you would spray if you were spraying the entire field.
those crops.
The weeds have become
those
a little
plants,
more of a pest than what
those
they were
which
originally.
cotton
They've
plants,
become resistant to a lot of
need this
herbicide that we've
spray.
been using on them.
With the rig, we have
Essentially,
famous
anything that may be
application of-
cost prohibitive.
See and spray Blue River technology. Okay, Blue River technology developed this product. Clear? Then in marketing also, we have different applications which are developed using artificial intelligence techniques. Marketing means what? This is a way to sugarcoat your products to attract more and more customers. And we humans are pretty good at sugarcoating. But what about the algorithm? What if an algorithm or a bot is built solely for the purpose of marketing a brand or a company? It would do a pretty awesome job. Of course, because we human beings are limited to a limited number of customers, but this will target more and more customers. And one famous example, Netflix. And Netflix already suggests you that which film you are interested on. And it provides highly accurate predictive technology that is based on customers' reaction to films. And it examines millions of records to suggest shows and films that you might like based on your previous actions and choices of film. And as the dataset grows, this technology is getting smarter and smarter every day. Because today you have seen one movie, and the next day you might have one recommendation from the Netflix that is of similar type of this movie. So day by day it is improving itself. That is also a famous application of artificial intelligence in marketing. Means what? It is actually trying to sell its product. Okay, so then we have applications in banking also, and AI in banking is growing faster than we can think, because a lot of banks have already adopted AI-based systems to provide customer support, detect anomalies in credit card frauds, and take an example of HDFC Bank. It has already developed an AI-based chatbot that is known as EVA, Electronic Virtual Assistant, and it is built by Bengaluru-based Stanford AI Research. And since its launch, EVA has addressed over 3 million customer queries, interacted with over 500,000 unique users, and held over 1 million conversations. And this EVA can collect knowledge from thousands of sources and provide simple answers in less than zero point 0.4 seconds. You see, time is very less, means within very short span, it can provide you suggestion, and that is also accurate. And this number of customers, as a human being, is not possible to cover it. But as an AI-based system, it can easily cover that. So that is a famous example of AI in banking. Okay, I'll show you one video. Let's start that video.